Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen about the basics of HTML. I mean, about HTML, its advantages and disadvantages, right? This is a sample code we have seen in the previous video. If you haven't seen the video, the link is in the description box. You can check it out there. Okay, now let us discuss. I have said that I'll discuss about each and every line of this code in next video, right? Now let us see what is mean by this every line and every tags here. You can observe that every word, some word is mixed with the, I mean, is included with an open and closed angular braces, right? This is called a tag in the HTML. Okay, you are observing two tags, same name with same naming and having an slash at the beginning, right? These two are called, this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Okay, these two both together, this full is known as a element in the HTML. Single one is known as a tag. Okay, first of all, let us see from here the doc type HTML, which represents the document type of this page. Okay, this document type is HTML. The meaning of this is that, okay, next HTML, it is very important tag to write any HTML page. You have to start with an HTML open tag, I mean starting tag, and end with an HTML closing tag to write any HTML document. Next, uh, we'll have several other tags also, like head, title, etc things, but I'm explaining the basic structure of this code. This is the body tag, which we write all the content in this body tag. We can use the paragraph tags. P represents the paragraph tags, anchor tags, and many more tags in this body tag. This is the main content of the HTML. Okay, if you want to know more about the HTML elements and HTML tags, I have made a short video regarding this. You can watch it. The link is in the description box. Okay, this is all about the previous lecture, right? In this video, I explained what are these tags and elements. Okay, now let us see our day two uh, series in the HTML. Okay, you have to create day2.html as previously we have created day one. Okay, as same as the day one dot html. Dot html is the extension of HTML to write the HTML code. Okay, now we can see this is the day2.html page, right? First, as usual, we have to start with the doc type. Doc type HTML is the thing which represents this document belongs to the HTML page. Next, what I have said, we have to start with HTML tag ending and closing. Automatically it gives you the closing tags when you give the opening tag. Next, I said head tag in which we can also write the title tag. Okay, inside we can represent the title tag. uh, let us give BST lectures as the title of this HTML document. Next, let us move to body. We'll have few tags which doesn't have the ending tag, like break, br. uh, those tags are known as empty tags. You want to know more details, you can view in the shorts, right? Now, just making a simple HTML document. Just now let us write a small heading, h1, day 2 of learning HTML is our heading. Okay, we are having h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6 headings, which decreases with when the number decreases, the size also decreases. Okay, the highest size contains h1 and the lowest size contains h6. Okay, h1 completed, right? Now let us use just a small, if you want to write anything, you no need to use the paragraph tag. If you want to write something, hi, hello, this is my first HTML docs. uh, Now this can automatically print in your document, no need to write any tags for it, the text can be printed. Another doubt many people can get is you have given the space here, this is the space, right? But the HTML document doesn't provide any space, it will neglect those space. Okay, here see, I am giving n number of space and I am typing my name is Rosie. Now if you print the output, now let us see the output, right? Before printing output, what you have to do, you have to save this, control plus s. Now here you can go live, see here, date of learning, day 2 of learning HTML, right? Hi, hello, this is my first HTML docs. My name is Rosie. Here I haven't provided you any, I have provided lots of space, but here we cannot see any space, right? The HTML document neglects the spaces, and this is the h1 tag which we provided the heading. And next, this is the if you want to write any text, no need to use any paragraphs and any tags, simply you can provide the text in the IDEs like this. Okay, we have seen the heading tag and the text formatting. Now let us use a paragraph tag. uh, Today I learned h1, heading tags and text format in HTML by BST lectures. This is the paragraph I given. Now let us see how does it print. Before that, Control plus S to save the content, and now refresh it. Today I learned heading tags and text format in the HTML by BST lectures. This is the one. You learned about heading tags and paragraph tag, right? Now let us see how to insert an image. To insert image, img is the tag which we use, and we have to give some source to the image. We have to provide some source to the image in order to print the image, I mean display the image in the browser, right? Image src, we can provide the image in two different ways. One way is we can copy the link in the Google and paste it to get the image, or else you can save the image in your desktop and later you can use it by providing the location. Okay, now first let us see the first way, taking the image from the Google. Okay, okay, now let us search an image to keep here, right? Come to this, search for any image. Let us see this or this image. Now right click, you'll find copy image address, just copy it and paste it here. Control S. Let us see does this image is inserted in the browser or not. Yeah, if we find here this image is inserted but is very zoomed in, because we haven't applied any CSS, right? uh, in the further videos we'll also learn about CSS, what is CSS and how we apply CSS, right? Now let us take any small image. For example, let us see this. Right click, copy image address and paste it here instead of that address. Control S. Now let us verify whether does it. Yeah, here we see how the image is displaying in the browser, right? Using the some link or some address of the image. Now let us see how an image will be displayed when it is already in our folders or in our laptops. Okay, here I have saved this image as subscribe.jpeg. This is a JPEG image. Here I have provided subscribe.jpeg same tag image src is equal to, and this is the image name which I have saved it. This is the image, right? Now let us save this and run. Already it is run, right? Yeah, here you can observe this is the image. Now let us see the questions you have to solve using today's lecture for your practice purpose. Okay. Yeah, here are your two questions. First one is keep your image and write about yourself. Just display image like this here and write about yourself. Next, create like a menu of foods and describe about the food items. Keep the image of a food and write one paragraph about the food item. Next, another food. Suppose dosa and about it, chapati and about it, idli and about it. Like that, you just create a menu using the pictures. Simply use the pictures and some paragraph tags. For this session, this is all about today. We have learned about the heading tags and the basic structure of the HTML and paragraph tags and how to insert an image in the two different ways, right? If you understand my lecture, please do follow and share our videos and subscribe to our channel BST Lectures. Thank you for watching.